If you have a Mylio Photos Plus account, you have a new way to make syncing even easier. It's called Mylio Drive, and it's a secure place for you to store optimized images. This way, when you're on the go, your devices can sync more easily. To enable it is simple. Just go up to your Settings under the More menu and choose the Overall Settings category. Then navigate to Sync. Here, you'll find a simple switch for Mylio Drive. Once you've enabled this, it'll start to synchronize all of your optimized images to this location. Only devices signed into your account will be able to see those images. You can go ahead and close this, and then open up the sync panel if you'd like to check progress. Here, you see I have a very large library, but I just enabled it. It's already starting to upload the thumbnail images and the optimized images directly to this device. If you want to customize this to limit what gets synced, you can do that. Just go under your dashboard and choose Devices and scroll down to Mylio Drive. You can then go to the Device Sync Policies. If you want to limit which images are uploaded, just click the Add Quick Collection to Sync button. This will allow you to set particular quick collections based upon the ones you've saved to further limit what gets uploaded. Otherwise, if no quick collections are set, everything will be uploaded by default. Once this gets synced, it'll be really helpful because when you're on the go, your devices will always have a place to pull optimized images from. This will make the syncing of new images quicker and make it a lot easier if you happen to be traveling and don't have access to one of your home devices.